Hello? Alright, alright. Let's see. Theoretically, we should be live. Did this thing get an announcement? No, of course it didn't, because it's broken still. Alright. Well then we'll do Twitch note. No, hold on a second. I gotta notify people. I'm now not now live on Twitch at. I still have like task manager open, twitch.tv/WSAL11. And no, the automated mention didn't work. Lol. Ah. Alright, cool. Let's go. Hi Kymart. How's it going? Yeah, it looks like the link didn't work either, which is really awesome. Sweet. Let's try. There we go. Now third time's the charm. Alright. Hi Blub Blub, how's it going? Okay, so I was working on something kinda interesting between streams here. So here I'll show you what I did. Nothing. That's what I did. Absolutely nothing. But ooh. Yeah, but trust me, it'll get cool in a second. Give me a minute. It's task manager. Okay. Alright. Everything's looking good. I notified people on Twitch, so I'm just closing that now. Okay. So what do I have planned for today? Well, first of all, I'm gonna commit these things to GitHub because I need to do that. Added post processing technically. Okay. So basically, how are you doing? Pretty good. How about you, Big Hammer? So basically, what I'm planning on doing today is playing around with what is that called? Post processing, because I wanted to make it so that when you go underwater, it actually looks like you're underwater. Because right now it doesn't. So yeah, although for the first thing we should do is probably actually make it so that water shows up, like when you're underneath it and looking up. Because right now it just doesn't look like there's even water here. So, why do you use version 3.3? I don't know. I think it's just compatibility reasons. I just followed Learn OpenGL. I know there's newer versions. I just didn't switch to it because this works. I don't know. Oh. That's very unfortunate. Good, just eating dinner. It kind of looks like my internet just cut out, actually. Ooh. Whoops. Give me a minute. I gotta do. What is that called? So is the stream actually just dead? Guys, are you here still? Oh no. Alright, it looks like we're live, so that's good, I guess. Alright. So anyway. Yeah, no, so we're gonna do post-processing effects today. My stream manager thinks I'm not live anymore, so that's really cool, but that's okay. So yeah, no, but first of all, we're gonna make it so that there's things here, because right now there's no faces. Rip? Is it back online? Are you seeing this? People in chat? I hope so. No, it's still working? That's good, that's good. Okay. I don't know what happened. But yeah, so what we're gonna do is just go into chunk here. And then we're gonna do where am I doing this right now? Wherever water is. Okay, so whatever the top face of water, the top face needs to be. I reopened the link. That always works. Fair enough. Okay, cool. So yeah, this might be a bit of a shorter stream. I'm mostly just kind of doing some chill stuff, just trying to get up to whatever that's called, affiliate. So, but no, I have some plans. It's just the video. I pretty much have all the footage for it now, so I'm just adding some extras. Water vertex. Okay, so basically, whenever we have the top face, what we're gonna do is, yeah, this is the top, is if it's water, we're gonna generate a face underneath it as well. So we just have to reverse it, I guess. Boop, just like that. Now it's reversed. So that should work. I like chill, good stuff. Yeah, look at that. It's not animated for some reason. Why is it not animated? What did I do? Uh-oh. Guys, I broke the animation. Oh, thanks, Vinny, for following. Um, uh-oh. Ooh, I definitely messed something up. Yeah, the water actually doesn't even flow anymore either. There's no... There's nothing going on. Wait, you already have the footage for another video? Well, not really. I have, like, enough footage, I should say. I have enough to make another video, but I am hoping to, like, right now it's like the water kind of sucks, so I want to get the water better before I make the video. But like my point is I'm not necessarily doing something like huge this stream. All right, so yeah, I don't know why the water is broken though. That's a little bit problematic. It kind of looks like it's just not sending the time there anymore. So let's go fix that. Where do we have time at? Where are we setting the time? Here we go. Water shader. We need to do water shader dot use before we do that. Are you going to make the blocks under the water turn into dirt after a certain amount of time? Eventually. I have a lot of things planned. Okay, the water's working again. That's good. However, hold on a second. Is this correct? I don't know. Whatever. So, however, it might be a little bit before some of these features get added because that's gonna be a huge like new system. So I think I'm gonna definitely wait a little while because I want to make so like that's gonna require block updates, and block updates is gonna be like a whole new system. Actually, no, that's gonna be like random tick, and so that would involve a lot of stuff that I do not have any of the infrastructure built up for. So I'll do that at some point. I want to add like block breaking and stuff like that first. All right, so water's working again. We got the underside of it. We have a few more issues with it. For example, this. So this on its own, like the fact that it's flowing underneath, isn't necessarily a problem. However, it causes Z fighting. So that is a problem, and that's something that I'm going to try and solve now. It shouldn't be too bad. Alright, I'm gonna make a commit here though and say added underside of top water and fixed shader. Or no, fixed animation. Okay. Just pushing things to GitHub to make my job easier later. Alright. So what I did, one of the things that I did was I actually split off the billboard blocks into their own sort of mesh. And because of that, I actually managed to eliminate half of the faces for it. Because I can just make it set it renders on both sides. Like we disable coal face so that both sides of the face render instead of just one of them. And so that's pretty cool. But what that also allows me to do is say, hey, what if I want a new vertex for water? We do water vertex because we have billboard vertex because this doesn't need a direction. And we have, the hub. What? Oh, yeah. I see what you're saying. Yep. And then we have this one, which before we were using chars to make it very efficient. And then we had to use floats because billboard blocks. But because we split off billboard blocks into their own whole thing, we can set this back to just 1 byte integers. So that's pretty cool. Water vertex can kind of do the same thing, except we're going to need a new boolean for top. So we have top now, and then this needs a bool. I don't know why I did this like this though. I'm just gonna keep doing it, and then we'll fix it at some point. Oh, this needs to be like that. Okay. Top equal top. I'll fix this stuff at some point. All right. So now we have water vertex. And what that allows me to do is say right here we do water vertex, and then oh yeah, every single one of these is gonna need to become water vertex though, which is really annoying because we have a lot of these things. So Bear with me here. Wait, why are these having a stroke? No instance matches. Oh, because they have extra things now. Lovely. And that means I actually have to think and be smart. Let's go. Alright. Well, let's just do this easy part first, and then we'll figure that out. Okay, so every single one of these also needs a new boolean now, I guess. So true for top. We'll figure that out later. Let's like actually pass in this data first and make sure that I can actually use these. Because like for example, what we need to do is go in here, and we're gonna need a new layout thing. We're not doing A-frames. We're doing in bool a. How do you select the same word on multiple lines? Hold Alt. You hold Alt and then you can drag up and it'll kind of put it in the same place. What is this? Top. Yes. Ooh, why are you does not allow for bool. Bool. Oh, okay. Well then I guess we'll just do a uint 8. No, can we just like hold on a second. GLSL bool. Can we not do bool? I should say varying bool. Varying bool. How to input boolean. So what then? Do we have to do an integer? Alright, well, we'll just do an integer for now, I guess, then. This is going to be an integer. And I guess it can be a 1 byte integer. We'll just say char, and then we can, see, that's why I didn't want to do all the things right away. Okay, and then right here, ooh, there are so many errors. 3. This is at 3, and this is 1. GL byte. All of this needs to be water. Vertex as well. Alright. Boop. Boop, 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 boop. There are so many things. Offset of top. If you use int 8, is that smaller than uint 8? They are the same size except uint is unsigned. And int has signs. I took a programming class in school and couldn't even get Hello World to work. You know, I can understand that. Alright, top. Wait, that actually worked, because that's what I named it. Of course it would work. I just doubt myself. Big camera, how did you not get Hello to World to work? It's how it be sometimes. Water indices, whatever. Okay, that does seem to be working now. So we're gonna go back up here now, and we actually have to like do all this stuff here. So we're gonna do. Alright, what face is this? Is this just straight up the top? No, this is the north face, which means you have to actually pay attention. So this would be 0, 0, 1, 1. And this is probably going to be a common pattern. So south, we see literally the exact same thing. West, once again, same thing. And all I'm doing is just setting, trying to figure out which ones are, which vertices are on the top, because only the top should be animated. This is east. Wait. Why am I doing this? Alright, let's hope that I didn't mess that up anywhere else. What is this? This is bottom, so none of these are gonna be. None of these are gonna be anything. So then we have main vertices. I did this again, so we're gonna have to go through and double check all of these apparently. And then top, every single one of these are going to be 1 for water. Little 2. I wouldn't know what this said. Okay. And with that, Let's just make sure that we did this all correctly. Water. Okay, main is regular. That's water. Regular water. Regular water. Regular water. I think I spelled something wrong. Mayan indices. That is so great. I'm so good at spelling. If you only animate the top, the sides will poke out. So no. Well, okay. I'm animating the top vertices of the sides as well. So it's not just the top face; it's all the top vertices. So all the vertices are at the top. So it will animate the sides as well, but it won't animate the bottoms of the sides. All right. And then with that, I think we are good. So we should be able to run this without getting errors. Nothing will happen, but like it hopefully shouldn't just like have a stroke and die. That is correct. Okay. So now that we have that, we actually know what the top faces are. So we should. I'm gonna close. There's so much stuff here. I have like absolutely everything in my like every file in my project open right now. It's this is a little excessive. Oh no. Okay. Tell you what. No, I did it again. Yeah. Why do I have so many things open? I don't get it. All right. Water vertices. So, a top here. We basically just need to say. Uh. Um. If a top is equal to 1, then we do this. If not, it basically just gets ignored. So bad news. What's your bad news? Oh man. Okay, this didn't work. What did I do wrong? Alright, it's all zeros, so that didn't work. I might have COVID. I'm not looking forward to that. That is very unfortunate. I've been sick for so long. I feel like I'm like starting to get better finally, but I don't know. I've been sick for like 4 weeks. I don't know. Well, it was off and on for 4 weeks, I should say. So yeah, I don't know. I might be dying. Alright, a top in int. If it's equal to 1, then it should do all this. So what did where did I fail at everything? Let's see. Inside of water here we have num triangles, water indices, water, 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 water. Everything's using water vertex. Yup. Okay, and we have this attribute here. That's our new attribute. I have top, and that is what that's called, correct? Yep, it's called top. What's wrong? That's still a thing. Yeah, I don't even get COVID tests anymore. I get sick and I just, treat it like I always did. I don't know. I guess some people get it worse than others, like every other sickness. I'm sure some people, I mean, yeah, because, just like how some people can get killed by the common cold, so. But as for me, I'm never near anyone who has any serious risk from COVID, so I don't really care. Just like they don't, and so whatever. All right, water. Yeah, this is an eye pointer, so that's good. That's what we need. Size of water vertex offset. I don't know. I don't go outside. Anyway. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. What am I doing wrong here? Why is it not working? So everything's broken now, which is really fun. Well, at least the animation still works. It does kind of seem to be treating it as though every single one of them are on the, or is like not, or yeah, whatever. That not a single one of them is on the top. West, south, north. Where's top? There it is. Okay. We go here. We can see outside. What's that? I don't know. Relatable. True. Yeah. So that's working. This is correct. We have 1, 1, 1, and 1. Right. So why work? Alright, what are we doing wrong here? A top. This is location. Oh, because we have location set to 4 instead of 3. I see. Okay, there we go. So now the water is flowing like normal. And if we go over here, you can see that the bottom is in fact not flowing, which is cool. I'm recovering from spine surgery. Oh, geez, that's crazy. Yeah, I hope you recover soon. All right, so we just discovered a new issue. So say hello to Seams again, guys. I feel like this is really annoying. Kind of feel like we also need to do another check to see if it's touching water above it. So that's really, really annoying. Cause like, yeah, this works to an extent. Also, the texture squashes, but to be honest, I kind of like it that way. I don't know. Only thing is my sleep schedule is messed up, and watching this at 1 a.m. It's great. I feel that. Yeah, Okay, so we need some way to fix this issue then. But yeah, I think it's just gonna be as simple as, hey, let's just pass values into it if there's a block above it. Because if there's a block above it, aka yeah, but like for example, water, then it just shouldn't play the animation. So yeah. All right. That being said, that's gonna be really, really annoying to do. All right. Well, let's see. Okay. I guess what we do is we could do int. Yeah, whatever. It could actually, I guess it could be a char. Int water water shader, yeah, top value is equal to, you've got to be kidding me. You kind of have to do like all the north stuff. Well, at least in that case, we already have the north index, and we can already have the north block because we had to get these anyway. Not the north. What am I talking about? The top. We need the top, not the north. Where's the top? Come on, game. Okay. Top index. Why is Y undefined? Top block. What in the world? Oh, no, I forgot about that. Okay, so we have to do this entire calculation up here now, apparently. So that's gonna be fun. Alright, why is Y undefined still? That's fine, we'll figure it out. So top block, then we need to do all this stuff. Then we need the top block type. Now we have if top block type is equal to block type. Nope, is he? Well, we don't actually need this. Well, yeah, I guess we could do dot block type is equal to blocks transparent. Oh, transparent. Then set it to 1. If not, set it to 0. Okay, that should be good. So if it's transparent and if it's not, and water is its own thing, it's a liquid, so it's not transparent. So if it's transparent, it's going to play the animation. If not, it's not. So top value. So in this case, we actually don't even need this whole thing anymore then, because we're already doing that calculation. And on one hand, I don't like that. On the other hand, I do. So We're going with it. Yeah. All right. So in this case, we can just let's just try it with the top face first. How about that? Or no, because top face it's not gonna be top face is gonna be the only one that's not visible here. That's relevant. So just kidding, actually. Speaking of sleep, I'm zoning in and out. Fair enough. I mean, hey, if you're tired. All right, water top value. So now just basically anywhere here where we have ones, except for the top, because the top will only ever be visible if it's supposed to be. So we don't need it there. Okay. Does that work? All right, I'm looking pretty good so far. And if we go back over here, oh, look at that. Okay. It's working, so that's good. There are some other visual artifacts I kind of don't care about, but that was something that was kind of bothering me, and now it's fixed, so I'm happy. So we're gonna go with that, and I'm gonna go. You can look at some beautiful water while I make the commit notes. Commit. No. What am I doing? Oh. Made water top. Or yeah, whatever. Stopped bottom. Or yeah, bottom and sides. Yeah, bottom of water from being wavy. Alright, cool. So, moving on. Next thing I want to do, looks good, looks great, thank you. Next thing I want to do is make post-processing. Because that was the original plan, and then I got distracted with water. So, basically what I wanted to do was make a water overlay kind of thing, so that when you're underwater, it actually looks like you're underwater. Will you add flowing water? Yes. Probably not in this video, like the water video that I'm making. It probably won't be in that one, but probably when I add like what's that called? Block updates, I will. Alright. So there's water. Now what I want to do is say, okay, so right now we have this, right? But if we do, okay, I was following a tutorial. Let me finish this. Ready? Simple effects. So if we, hold on, I don't just want to like play the video. Let's do vec4 text result is equal to this. So this is good. And now, for example, let's just say vec4 1.0f. This is literally like copied and pasted from this video. So if you think, oh man, you're intelligent, don't. All right. So now it's black. 1.0. All right, what did I manage to do now? See, this is why you shouldn't think that I'm intelligent, because I am copying and pasting code, and I still managed to mess up somewhere. Like, we... How in the world did I manage this? Hello, I am under the water. Bright color, vec4, 1.0, minus texture. So we're sampling the texture. And if we set this to text result, then we just get this, okay? However, if we try doing vec4 of 1.0 and then subtract it, then we just get 0 for some reason. If we don't subtract it, will we get white? Yeah, that's crazy. So for some reason, it thinks that this is all that. I mean, what if we tried 255 instead? Well, then it's just white. Okay. Yeah. You copy and paste your own code. That's what's impressive. Well. Alright. What am I? Seriously? Like, what am I doing wrong here? I don't get it. Texture. Whatever. We're gonna do text result.r and then 0, 0, and no 0, 0, 1 All right, so now it's inverted on one thing, so that's cool. Does this actually return a vec4? Oh, wait. So yeah, this isn't working for some reason. Maybe it's because I have like an RGB. No, it's just RGB. Equals 1.0 minus text result. Here. Vec4 1.0 minus text result. And then result dot a is equal to 1. Is it because it's setting the alpha to 0? Math, just a flashbang. There we go. Now the colors are inverted. So there we go. That's one thing that I can do. And this looks so bad. That's crazy. I like how the stone doesn't really look a whole lot different. All right, so that's post-processing effect number 1. Let's play around with some of these things now. So we can do. I mean, I kind of made like the entire texture red earlier. Vec4. Oh, he's got the LGBT lights. Text result dot r and then 001. So now we just have red. So that's cool. We can actually wait. What if we just like remove green entirely? Okay, so now blue. Yeah, so this looks very interesting as well. Gotta say, you could do some pretty cool things just by like playing around with these. Like, what if we just did blue and then red and then green? So we're just basically mixing up the colors, and that's definitely interesting. So we got like this like weird reddish water. Pretty cool. And stone, of course, is like exactly the same as it normally is. This is so hurting to look like. Oh, come on. It's not that bad yet. Alright. Sorry, I forgot to mute my microphone. Alright, and then. Ooh, you see, this looks scary. Alright, we're gonna stop following the tutorial and do it ourselves now. Okay, so. What else can we do with this, huh? I don't want to add time and do all this weird stuff. Don't want to have a seizure. I have to be careful with this one. Okay, I won't go too crazy, guys. Don't worry. Text result dot. Great. Tell you what. Text result times 0.5. So now it's just gonna be darker. Oh, it's really dark. Why are you having a stroke? Oh. Well, imagine he makes it change with time. I'm not gonna make it change with time, guys. Don't worry. I'm not gonna give you all epileptic seizures here. I'm gonna try not to kill my audience today. That'll be cool. That's my goal, okay? We're not gonna kill anyone. Okay. Ooh, my bitrate is like dead right now for some reason. Okay. Or we can make it like really blown out. That's cool. Now it's like a really bright. It's a really bright and sunny day. And then what we can do is say text result times, I don't know. Let's see here. What if we do text chords dot x is plus equal to sine of text chords dot y. No, I can't do that. Cool. Love that meme of the muffin, by the way. Oh, text chords. Okay, so what I'm gonna need to do is do a vec2 text chords dot x plus sign of text chords dot y, and then do text chords dot y. Okay. This might be a little bit weird. Okay. I don't know what's going on here. What? I can like draw with this like green thing here. Guys, I made Microsoft Paint. I like how there's just like this square in the middle that I just can't draw on, but yeah. I don't know what I did or how I managed this. What tutorial were you following? Here, I can actually link the tutorial, because why not? Here you go. That's the tutorial I was following. It didn't teach me how to do whatever I just did. Okay. Alright, plus sign. Maybe it's because I need to weaken the effect by quite a lot. No, that didn't help. Posted it? Huh? Okay. Undefined variable result. Oh, we don't have a result. Oh, that I see now. We're having some weird like undefined behavior because I broke my shaders. So that is why. Nope. Okay. Whoa. Okay. So everything's like kind of tilted. Let's see if we could do times 5. Oh, the link is blocked. Okay. Whoa. Okay. I did something. Ah, link is blocked. Why? Oh. Hold on a second. We can make this a little bit more pronounced. Well, now you just can't see anything. Alright, guys, this is Minecraft right here. This is beautiful. What if we do 0.01? Okay, so now it's this is a little bit more tolerable. But what if we made this less tolerable? Plus sign of text chords dot x times 50 times 0.01. So now we do it on the y-axis as well. And this is awful. OMG, that's what I see when I'm having vertigo. Oh, that is a rough one. Ooh. And then what if we also, just for fun, right? What if we also do this, okay? So we have this now. We have text result dot r is equal to the, is equal to sign of text result dot g. Ah, well, these are going in the Discord. See, this looks kind of like the Mesa biome, just with a little wiggle. Okay. Let's see here. Text result dot g plus text chords dot x. Why is that not liking me? Oh. All right. Like 50 people. Let's go. Times 30. Minus 0.4, so we're gonna weaken the effect a little bit, and now that, okay, see, that just doesn't quite do what I wanted it to do, to be honest. How did I miss this? Oh man, that's right. Well, I don't know if you keep up with my programming channel. I can give people, yeah, I think you're able to, yeah. Yeah, Big Hammer, I think you're used to We Suck at Life, but I've been posting videos on a different thing. I got it from YT. All right, bet. Sweet, let's go. You just barely got into the OG members. Okay, so pretty cool. All right, so we should probably. I don't know what else to do with this. You guys have any ideas besides adding time? Because I feel like at that point people might start to riot. If I start adding time, or other weird effects. I was the fifth member of the Discord. That's crazy. Wait, which one are you from the Discord? I forget. I think you said it last time, but I forget. Text result. Maybe make it not all wiggly. Yeah, see, that's probably a good idea. We'll set this back to normal. Text chords, and then we'll actually make it good, right? So we'll do text result. Anyway, I need to shower. See you later. See you, Big Car Mart. Dot. What is this called? B plus equal to 0.5. So now this should make it kind of appear. Yeah, not really. On Discord, I am Martin. Ah, okay, got it. Maybe it's supposed to be this. Ooh, that was the wrong way around. Oh boy. Alright, so we can make it very blue. But this didn't quite do what I wanted it to do. If I'm being honest. I guess it's just kinda needs to be like an overlay. Maybe it doesn't need to be a post-processing effect. Although I gotta say, yeah, I don't know. We'll see. My frame rate's like, or my bit rate's, yeah, dead again. See, this doesn't look good. Yeah, it doesn't look like good in the slightest, actually. I don't know how to make it look good. Plus equal to 2. So I can either just like add water or add blue, but that doesn't really look all that great. I don't know. Maybe we should focus on making holy buffering Batman. Oh yeah. Sorry guys. The internet. Not the internet. What is happening? Hold on, let me check. Let me check some good old IP config. Ping. Ooh, it's not looking too good. My connection to my router is completely dead. Am I not using the right like thing here? I am. Ah. That is extremely unfortunate. That's not good. Yeah, the stream's completely dead. That sucks. Ah, please, please, work. Is it working? It looks like it's getting better now. Hello? Hello? People? Hello? It looks like my internet's improving, I think. Maybe? I don't know. It worked for 2 seconds. Hmm. Let me try.